What's up, people? It's the ZigMan, and I thank you for watching today's video, which I will be doing an unboxing and setup of my Bobcat 300. Before I dive in, be sure to check the links in the description below. They'll help you out with what you may need. And if you find this information helpful, consider clicking those like and subscribe buttons so that other people can benefit from this information. Leave a comment if you'd like to see my results after 7 days. It's been a long 6 months since I ordered my miner, and since then I've watched the price of HNT rise, get chopped, and then it rose again. All the while, I've been waiting for my chance to join in on the mining fun. While waiting, I built an antenna rig and then placed it on the roof. Shortly after that, I finally received my Bobcat in the mail. It's finally time to unbox this Bobcat. There are lots of cool reasons why I bought the Bobcat 300. Some of them are because of the 4 dBi antenna, low power usage, as well as over-the-air updates. Let's start with the app, since it's also the wallet that will hold my earned HNT. After downloading the Helium app, I chose my miner from a list and followed the on-screen instructions, asserted my location, and letting it sync to the blockchain for the next 24 to 48 hours. On the back of the Bobcat, the TF card slot and the COM port do not have a use. Leave them alone. The troubleshooting guide gives us some more info, such as what the colors of the LED light means, information on connecting through Bluetooth, and when your miner will start mining. Now onto the components. The Bobcat comes with a mounting plate which you can screw onto a wall. This is an option depending on your application. This is the power source. It comes with a good amount of cable length too. You'll want to plug it into a dependable surge protector because it's important to protect our investments, especially after waiting 6 months to receive it. Here we have the magnetic base that we connect the antenna to. The magnet in the base will allow us to stick it to something if we need to. And there's additional cable to extend it and move it around. It's not attached directly to the miner like many other miners. Onto the antenna. It looks small, but it packs a 4 dBi signal, which is stronger than most stock antennas on other types of miners on the market. Its connector is RP-SMA male, which connects to the back of the miner's RP-SMA female port. This pin tool is used to press the Bluetooth button behind the miner. You'll need this to sync your Bobcat to your smartphone. And finally, we have the Bobcat 300 miner itself in all of its sleek glory. On the back, we have the RP-SMA female port, or LoRa port. This is where the antenna gets plugged into. This small hole is where the Bluetooth pin goes. It kinda looks like a SIM card eject pin. We use this to sync our miner to our phones. We can ignore these two. They have no use. Here is an Ethernet port. You can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can use an Ethernet cable and connect it to your router to have a more stable connection. This is where we plug the power source. Do not power on your Bobcat without the antenna attached. Doing so could damage your miner, and we don't want that. Then on the bottom, there is a mounting base. We can take it off, mount it onto a wall, and then attach the miner however you like. Now, I'm super excited to get it connected tonight because 6 months is a long time to think about what could be possible once I got my miner. The current price is around $48 per HNT earned. Shall we begin? Guys, if you found this information useful, please be sure to check the links in the description below. And be sure to click those like and subscribe buttons so that other people can benefit off of this information. I thank you all for your honest feedback. I love interacting with this community, learning and growing together, because that is what it's all about. And as always, happy mining, my friends.